Welcome, dear. Now let us embark upon another set of questions, 6 to 10, on UGC NET paper 1, fast track hits and fast crack tips. Question number 6. Apurav is son of Madhu. Vinod is brother of Madhu's husband. How is Apurav related to Vinod? The options are uncle, second brother, third nephew, fourth cousin. Now this is blood relation. The correct answer from the given option is nephew, and how we are arriving at this option is Apurav, son of Madhu. Vinod is brother of Madhu's husband, means Apurav is son of Madhu and her husband. So, how is Apurav related to Vinod? Not Vinod related to Apurav. Vinod is uncle, but Apurav related to Vinod is nephew of, and hence the answer nephew, correct option. Question number 7. Which of the following are essential for good classroom communication? Good classroom communication. The option is overemphasis on certain words, use of gobbledygook, C. proper employment of redundancy, D. immediacy of feedback, E. non-verbal cues, F. sidelining the student criticism. We have to choose the correct option combination of this A, B, C, D, E, F, which are given as option 1 is A, B and C, option 2 is B, C and F, option C is 3, D and E, fourth is D, E and F. Overemphasis on certain words, use of gobbledygook, proper employment of redundancy, immediacy of feedback, non-verbal cues, sidelining student criticism. The correct answer goes as proper employment of redundancy, immediacy of feedback and non-verbal cues. C, D, E, the third one, C, D, E should be the correct answer. The correct answer C, D and E, which implies proper employment of redundancy, immediacy of feedback, non-verbal cues. These are for good classroom communication. Overemphasis on certain words, use of gobbledygook. Gobbledygook, language that is meaningless or is made unintelligible by excessive use of technical terms, confusing the learner. So they are not good classroom communication means. Sidelining student criticism is negativity. So the correct option is proper employment of redundancy, immediacy of feedback and non-verbal cues. Question number 8. The distinction between Laukik and Alaukik is made with reference to which one of the following pramanas? Comes from classical logic theory, Indian logic theory. So, option 1 is inference, option 2 is comparison, option 3 is perception, option 4 is verbal testimony, and the correct answer is distinction between Laukika and Alaukik is made with reference to perception, pratyaksha. Pramana is valid means of knowledge. From the classical theory, it comes that Indian classical logic theory, Pramanas is valid means of knowledge, and its important 4 means include perception, inference, verbal testimony and comparison. There are 2 ways of classifying perception. According to one division of perception, the perception is divided into 2 kinds, one known as ordinary perception, which is Laukika, and extraordinary perception, which is Alaukik. Mind is the organ which is regarded to be the internal organ of perception. What we perceive is through mind, not brain. Question number 9. Match the two sets given below in which set 1 mentions level of measurement and set 2 their properties. Set 1 is level of measurement, which talk about nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. And the properties is classification, order, equal units and absolute zero. Second is classification with order and equal units. Third is simply classification. Fourth is classification and order. So we have to match this level of measurement with properties. Looking at nominal is classification, ordinal, order, classification and order. So automatically the option which are given 1, A1, B2, C3, D4. Second is A2, B3, C4, D1. Third is A3, B1, C2, D4. And fourth is A3, nominal classification. B4, classification and order. C2, interval, yes, classification, order and equal units. And ratio with 1, classification, order, equal units and absolute zero. So obviously the correct answer from the given option is the fourth one, which identifies that nominal means simply classification is nominal level of measurement. Classification with order is ordinal. Classification order with equal interval or units is interval. And classification with order, equal units with absolute zero goes as ratio. Question number 10. The next term in the series AT, EQ, IN, OK is, you have to identify whether it is UH, UP, US or UU. Now to attempt such kind of series question, you have to identify the pattern. What is the pattern followed in the series for first alphabet in each term and second alphabet in each term. If you carefully observe, it comes that the correct answer from the given options is UH. For first letter in each term, if you observe, it is 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8 and so on. So B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, then F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and O. So 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8 is the pattern being followed for first letter. And for second letter, it is the reverse order which is followed, T, Q, N, K. So it is Q, R, S, T, N, O, P, Q, K, L, M, N, H, I, J, K. So the trick is you have to identify the pattern in each one of the letter in the given terms, and from that the answer is first one, UH. So with this we will close our today's discussion. Thank you. Do subscribe our channel for latest videos. The other videos follows for question number 11 onwards. Thank you.